Once you open the door, you can see the living room. This is televisions, dining, and sofa. And you can see the fridge as well. And this is the small kitchen. And this is electric. And of course, my rice cooker. This electric, guys, is available here, but we cannot use the gas one. Here is vitamins and other stuff for oven for cooking, and this is for milkshake for exercise and others. And this area is food. I'm always keeping this or having extra because we don't know what happened tomorrow. And this is glass, spoon, fork, and for washing plates. And this is ingredients, of course, my bagoong, garbage bin. And this is where I put my blender, shake, toasted bread, etc. And this is my plates and pot, cooking pot. And this is the place where I'm washing the plates and everything. It's small but nice the view. But the only one thing is you don't need to buy a lot of things, a lot of stuff. And this is the fridge, and I'll show you what is inside. More eggs, mangoes, and grapes, and veggies and everything, milk. And this is my meat. This is the living room, televisions, and other. As you can see, the table should close to the sofa, but I'm still organizing the other stuff, guys, and I have still a lot to do. And I'll show you what is inside to the first room. So this is the room, and as you can see, I still have a lot of stuff that I put on this room, and I'll show you my things. This is my bag kit. If I'm traveling, I'm bringing. And this is my lotions and my bags, books, glasses, and my perfume, my watch, and others. And this is my gadget chargers and my blower hair and my brush makeup and etc. And this is my closet. Yeah, this is the dress that I have right now, because the other dress that I'm not using and it's not already fit for me. My socks, my clothes for everyday use, and my winter clothes, my shorts, iron, and for tables cleaning. This is my winter jacket or my exercise, and this is my for bike. And this is my winter jacket. This one is my diamond faint, my banana, and my other stuff, my exercise, vacuum, ring lights, and hula hoop, all the stuff that I have to fix but for now I just want to show you what is inside of the house. So let's go to another room and I'll show you what is inside. This is the bed, the second bed, but you cannot see anything here, only the bed and the view, pan, and there's no any kind of cabinet that you can put inside. Only yes, you can put to another room, but it's look like good because you just see the view, not cabinets. But the only one thing is the window is very small. Also in another room have a small, nothing, no more, just only two, and this is the living room. And this is my lotion, shampoo for my hair, toothbrush, toothpaste, skin oil for earrings, and etc. And this is for the dirty clothes, my coloring hair, and this is the shower. It's small, but I can still shower, guys. That is the difference between my previous apartment, because their shower there is big and a lot of windows. Even though you're not using the aircon, have ceiling fan and a lot of windows that you can open there, not like here. The door of this one is sliding door and it's connected from the toilet, and the area is small, but I can still sit on it. So this is my bathroom. So this is the place where I'm living right now, guys, and the only one thing is small is kitchen and bathroom, but other else is good. This is for my vlog for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabili.